Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam keeps logging out. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open up the settings window where you can configure various aspects of your Steam client. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Security. This section contains important options related to your account protection and login behavior. Now, look for the option that says Don't Save Account Credentials on this computer. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn this on. This setting ensures that Steam properly handles your login information and can help prevent those annoying automatic logouts. While you're in the security section, also make sure your Steam Guard is enabled. This two-factor authentication feature not only protects your account, but also helps maintain a stable connection to Steam's servers. Next, in the left panel, click on Downloads. This section manages how Steam handles game downloads and related cache files. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache, and right beside it, click the Clear Cache button. A confirmation prompt will appear, so go ahead and click Confirm. Clearing this cache removes any corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with your login sessions and causing Steam to log you out unexpectedly. Now, in the left panel, click on Interface. This section controls how the Steam client looks and behaves on your computer. Look for the option labeled Client Beta Participation. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select No Beta chosen from the list. Beta versions can sometimes be unstable and cause login issues, so switching to the stable release often resolves these problems. After making this change, click Restart Now to apply the new settings. Steam will close and reopen automatically, which only takes a moment. Another common cause of Steam logging out is incorrect system time settings. To check this, right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of Windows. From the menu that appears, click Adjust Date and Time. In the window that opens, turn Set Time automatically on. This ensures your computer's clock stays synced with internet time servers. Then click Sync Now to immediately update your system time. Having the correct time is crucial because Steam's authentication system relies on accurate timestamps to keep you logged in. Also, if you're using a VPN, it can interfere with Steam's login system and cause frequent logouts. To disable it, click on Show Hidden Icons in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. This will reveal all the background applications running on your system. Locate your VPN application icon and disable it from there. And that's it. You've addressed all the common causes of Steam logging out, and your client should now stay connected properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.